cause this too sweet. You see me, people? I wait till me see things and I'm gonna just talk. Me for wait till me see it in my eye. Come, I couldn't believe to blood clot. Puss the oil that hype over your granny greater cake blood clot pussy. We're full of blood clot, helium bomb to blood clot. The man says, say your skin out your leg to blood clot. I say him see helium balloon a fly out of your hole. Dirty blood clot puss, why you do it? Karma is a bitch. Puss, repeat after me. Karma is a bitch. Puss, repeat after me. Karma is a bitch. Sound effects for your blood clot.
Like good diva.
Get up in the one blood clot, yellow baggy shots. I wind up a nasty blood clot, but you gotta choose me. You gotta choose me. You nasty blood clot. And when I say you don't want your back, I say you go get him blood clot passport back. And him information, them pussy at run for the blood clot ears. But not even Facebook or Instagram now gonna save me from the blood clot judgment here. I can't wait till you go get back to him blood clot senses and press life here and rub out a nasty mucky blood clot. Puss on you come like a dog at Emmanuel Road, a beer rock stone on your blood clot. You got to cut one rock stone them on your crutches and lick in your blood clot face with it. You did have to run from blood clot, Jamaica. I know I did not go reach a dirty girl. Dirty, nasty girl. It's amazing what praises can do. You never know the boy mama was a praying mother. Yeah, me go bite out. Me go bite blood clot out. Puss, come tell us if I this for the first blood clot, me not come off for you. Puss, me no blood clot come off for you. Cause the lie them when you tell Pavi I'm a blood clot friend, them it never did a blood clot go so. So I'm gonna sit back and live vicariously through the people them where your blood clot use. And look at one blood clot man I gonna bring it up on Facebook. You know I get no blood clot fucking here, no shit. Pussy my blood clot birthday. Puss my birthday on Friday, and my man I go wine and dine my blood clot. I go show you how real girl I had, how real wife get treat. See Kandy blood clot birthday the other day. Look how her man step out for her. Puss you had all the blood clot. Granny greater cake pan blood clot social media. You know sister you have blood clot. You want a sugar granny, you have salt blood clot granny. You see the man work $5,000 every day, you take out $4,000, give $1,000, claim say you're British. Move your nasty banana boat looking blood clot. You are your body man looking self. Move yourself, you're gonna get no blood clot romance in your hole. I'll be a fuck and duck you get on a blood clot liquor. You're gonna stop drink out your blood clot barrel, one stop shop drinks them and fuck out your nasty blood clot mouth. Cause nobody now fuck you. Pussy, you're all alone make cocky blood clot dead. You're all can't make no man cocky turn up. Not even girl no want blood clot fuck you. Pussy, I didn't want to fuck my nice clean friend Brassy and Brassy never want to fuck you. Come check the day when I had the yellow blood clot dress. Brassy ex-man
Bird dress.
in a blood clot. Puss move your blood clot. Your breast them coming like when man put blood clot pump on bicycle and pump it. It's a ill-shaped blood clot figure you get. Your doctor, your surgeon did 8 in a blood clot. You want to come stop and come talk to nice clean people on social media. Puss will never blood clot choose you or you choose me. And Puss, you never hate me first and me blood clot first hate you. Puss, we are the one never got away because we didn't no blood clot friend from no girl where beg me blood clot money. Forgot by weight loss pill or $20 to send them blood clot rapper man son of Jamaica. Go suck your blood clot cell Puss. You don't get none wines over here, so. Every day I get up on my nice clean friend Kandy blood clot name.
Hey, we just get a message say if the live across me and you and Tanya. And a PRD today.
Blood clot He need the blood clot crowd. He need an audience side out. I don't have time for it. He need to name a blood clot banana and choke on it. He have nobody in a blood clot remember you. You look here 5 minutes of blood clot fame, but don't look it right here, so I stop right here, so. Yep, just like nasty old pussy, your idea soon come. You are look at noise here, and nobody don't blood clot here. You need to stay over for fear blood clot corner and come the one basket banana, them where full up your dirty blood clot basket. Yep, as a matter of fact, it's time you take us me and blood clot Kandy and Tanya. You need to go blood clot, fix up your blood clot. Also take 3 blood clot centuries the blood clot don't fix. Here for the restaurant that we claim say you had from 19 or blood clot long. Here for you not choke on a blood clot banana, you're a handicapped man, we have to hold in blood clot and cross street. Here if you go and change your man blood clot diaper. Go change your man blood clot diaper, we're over blood clot full. I don't have nothing to say about you on your time now. England we are talking about, we not have blood clot Canada.
Diary, your black somebody named Haley.
What?
Somebody named Haley so them can't see the live.
That's a for them business. Anybody can't see live, that mean my black you. Back to the business. Yes, dirty Puss, look what karma has done. Puss, look what blood clot karma has done. It sweets me. I don't understand. This come like one kid in a candy store. My eye just brights up. I'm just happy. Poor you, Pussy. Your bed lonely in a blood clot. You better tell Arika if you shift over and sleep on the bed because you're sad in a blood clot. But look for you was coachman for custom family and their mother. After the woman skin out her catches and push out her nice clean son, you want to come take one, somebody pitting for come turn it pitting upon their one and mother will birth them. There's a wicked piece of starfish head woman. You Puss. Me didn't have to come for life, come laugh after blood clot, you. I don't know about nobody else but me up in a blood clot. My up like when me take 2 shots of rum cream to rot it, I'm ready for cuss a bitch or a dog. Yeah, you know, I can't control my blood clot mouth on social media. I'm going to talk the talk. I'm afraid that no big pussy boy and no Batman girl. None of a raccoon face, bumble or lobster tail blood clot people can't come for blood clot me. Because you would have to know me for come for me. And I want to think of the body, no all time badness done. Me not have to tell girl and boys so me going to do them nothing. Because I not do that thing. When you see me, you have to come to me something. And not my problem, I'm me a phone problem. I not stop talking, I not cover down my mouth. I not cover down my mouth. All I want to come like some blood clots, spotty, mildew shower curtain. I want to move on a blood clot. You want to need for go run, but wash up I need for keeping up on a blood clot pasta. And lock the blood clot gate pound and fling corner and blood clot all clothes pound. Because some hog. You want to some dirt alert hogs. You think me I laugh after on a pussy clot. You got to choose this night. Lord God, I can't manage this name right now. I'm faster to God. But now, like, Puss treat Hugo like I'm picking my friend for here say Hugo breed 19-year-old girl. I know some I forgot one place named Boat Oscar enjoy my look show and so yeah, I forgot. And before I go somebody have to come laugh after your post. And Puss if you answer me to blood clot, me I come back for your nasty blood clot. I'm not gonna cuss you today, I'm just laugh after you. Because it's funny. I got nearly like blood clot Judas to the blood clot cross. You somebody hand me a blood clot to me to make a slap push on it. A nasty stinking bumble wall. You someone who come from Kingston to blood clot and some germs, you know. Yo, now some germs. I swear to God, someone if me have a woman like me kick on the dog. Thank you, Jesus. Say you give me a nice clean mother and a nice clean father. You think my mother and my father could have on social media going like someone who has some nasty blood clot bitches. Who has some witch. Somehow no crosses. Somehow no not even squeeze lime and blood clot salt of the blood clot go pound. A coke that them for broke over St. Thomas phone. When not push a slam for people blood clot. clot veranda sleep. Big old worthless blood clot woman like you. See them a ball over blood clot, man. I see them for the people them veranda. Then they are the hot steel piece of fling pie out there. I should have my
On our birthday, cause you gonna fuck him. Lie.
people. Who never hear now the blood clot here? Puss can give one pussy to a mad blood clot boy. I'm here. Pussy thought for a mad blood clot, man. Blood clot. You want to see puss come from under the cellar like rose to blood clot. Puss skinny thought for a blood clot, man, cause you gonna never do that fuck puss. Puss skinny thought and man fuck out puss nasty blood clot wall with no condom. Nasty blood clot puss. You're hungry for blood clot cocky. Puss you're thirsty for blood clot cocky. But too bad the man cocky was turn off. Cause no matter what you say, the man them not coming at your post. Puss your crutches all are haunted in a blood clot. Puss the man say welcome like escape blood clot room. You could have cracked no blood clot code in there. Puss honor your haunted and full of blood clot cobweb. Puss honor you come like focus for Disney blood clot channel. It need a blood clot room. Puss move your blood clot haunted mansion all from your so. No boy not settle down with you. But look at Puss the boy she has skin it out for madman. Go see Puss a take cocky. Blood clot. Girl a come home. Girl a leave alone. Sit down for the cocky like I say your future. Baby, him not left. You got say what you say, Puss. You left. Pussy, him not left. Here you go now. You better hurry up. Why? I'm tired. Boy, Puss, me don't do OA. Puss, me go send you your flowers. You need some blood clot flowers. Puss them bury upon social media. Them class you. Your family turn them back upon you. People dig hole for you and dump you every minute. People nasty up every minute. And you not find no salvage night for some me change my life. Boy, Puss, the embarrassment where you face, you have to be a strong blood clot woman. You not have your stomach limb must drop down. Your shame tree rotten from the blood clot root. Puss, all of them are embarrassment, yeah.
Puss not have no shame.
Candy talk the truth if your mother did stay so.
My mother could never stay so.
Mother said if you was my mother, which could never be, me I'll knock pound wood. Mother tell her if you broke the blood clot tree limb, broke the tree limb and can't come make a beat you with you. It's an embarrassment. Pussy embarrassing. Keep a blood clot over there if you tell her the truth on Brittany. Dirty blood clot Brittany, all up your money help Puss to go blood clot Germany. We take it from Germany, come over to blood clot England. Oh no, if you don't want no money, Pussy walls. Oh no money. This woman using it from left to blood clot right. You don't have a thing for doing no blood clot money. You just shame tree, just stand up in a blood clot face. So embarrassing as fuck, yo.
Somebody say Puss man like.
No, we forgot. Me not give a fuck if Puss want come talk, if Ape want come talk, if stinking blood clot lemonade want come talk.
People all look at Ape. She all look attention. I'm done with that mad bitch.
Ain't nobody seen blood clot Ape. So I don't even know why Ape feel like she should come at a bitch that don't see her.
She just want people call her name. I'm not look on her.
Real, the topic is Puss. Like on a real, Puss is like a famous IG person. Who the fuck are you? Like, go back on YouTube for your motherfucking head, bitch. Like, ain't nobody want to see you. Ain't nobody seeing you. Like, you a dub. Like, for real. Like, get the fuck out of my face, hole. Like, for real. Back to the topic. Brrr. Because a bitch ain't got no fucking heater in her house. Brrr. Period.